Hi, my name is Une, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe of my homemade herbal tea I use to treat flu symptoms and boost my immunity. Here is a list of my ingredients: ginger, garlic, turmeric, fresh dandelion, oregano, lemon, lime, green tea, which is optional, and honey. All these ingredients have great health benefits, which include antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial properties, vitamins, and soluble fiber. Not much is known about the dandelion, as most people consider it as a weed, but this super herb is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Dandelions also have antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. What's not to love about this herb? As it is readily available, it grows right in your backyard, so you don't have to buy it, and all parts of this super herb are edible. It is important to harvest dandelions that are free of chemicals like pesticide. I like harvesting mine after rainfall. That way they are halfway clean. Also, it's important to harvest dandelions growing away from streets and highways to avoid contaminants and pollutants from pedestrians and moving vehicles. We do not want to be dealing with long-term or chronic diseases in the future. So here is how I make my tea. First, I wash the ginger, garlic, turmeric, fresh herbs, lemon, and lime with water, soak in vinegar for 10 to 20 minutes, and rinse with water. I blend or grate the ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Pour into a clean pot. Squeeze the lemon and lime into a cup and set aside. Add the peel of lemon and lime into the pot. Also add the fresh dandelion, oregano, 3 to 4 cups of water, and bring to boil. Use a sieve and strain. To a serving of a teacup, add extract of the lemon and lime which you set aside. Add a bag of green tea, which is optional, and honey to taste. I prefer to take my tea hot. I take this drink first thing in the morning, 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast, and last thing before going to bed. This has been my routine in the last 3 weeks, and this has helped in treating flu symptoms and boosting my immunity. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Please share with friends and family, and join me on my journey of exploring more health food by subscribing to my channel, Health Kitchen, and like this video. Stay safe and stay blessed.